Hello everyone, this is a companion video to the bump box video. I'm going to show you the details of programming this multifunctional timer to work as a bump box. So to do that you also need this universal programmer. As you can see, I've put some pigtails on these. They do not come that way, but all you have to do is hook up the red, black, and white wires to get these things to talk. So this is a version 8 5 amp, but there's also a 10 amp available if you need it. You can get this from the timer shop directly, or I have a link in the description to both of these where you can buy them elsewhere. First thing you want to do is get the universal programmer plugged into a USB cable. I have mine plugged into the wall. Next you want to hook up the red, black, and white wire to the timer itself. And once you do that, you can turn the switch on and you'll get this blue light that lets you know that they are talking to each other. Once the blue light's turned on, go into the Wi-Fi of your phone and look for a timer.shop Wi-Fi that's available and connect to that. Once you're connected to that Wi-Fi, you can come into your browser and type in the IP address that's on the universal programmer. That'll be 192.168.4.1. And if you go there, it'll bring you to the config page of the timer. You want to go to select function, and up here in the drop down you want to pick 14 and hit select, and that will upload that configuration, that function, to the timer. So it takes a minute, you have to wait for it, and then it'll reboot when it's finished. Once you've uploaded the function, come into timer config. By default it will be 5 seconds. You do not want 5 seconds. So zero that out. And I would recommend starting very low on your 30th of a second. I would say 1 or 2. You'll want to set reversed, that checkbox, on, and I would turn this low power off. After you're done with that, you can save it. So with that, you have your Timer Shop multifunction timer set up to be capable of being used as a bump box. Definitely watch the other video. If you came across this video first, watch that video because it'll give you some context as to what we're doing here. Definitely set this thing up with a battery and a light outside of the car and make sure it's doing what you expect it will do before you put it in the car. I assume no responsibility for any damage you do to anything while trying to do this, but it will work. The other video will show it in action. Hopefully this is useful. If it was, please like and subscribe, and as always, thank you for watching.